Welcome to an in-depth look at oxytocin, a fascinating neuropeptide hormone that plays crucial roles in both the body and the brain. Oxytocin is often dubbed the love hormone, but its functions extend far beyond emotion, impacting major physiological processes. We'll explore where it's made, how it's released, and its critical targets. Let's start by looking at how this powerful hormone is synthesized and released into circulation. Oxytocin is produced by specialized magnocellular neurons within the paraventricular and supraoptic nuclei of the hypothalamus. It's first synthesized as a large precursor molecule, which is then packaged and transported down the axons to the posterior pituitary, where it's processed into the active hormone. The actual release is triggered by an action potential. This causes calcium to flood the cell, leading to the secretory vesicles fusing with the cell membrane, releasing oxytocin directly into the bloodstream. Oxytocin's primary targets include the lactating breast and the pregnant uterus. Let's look at its role in milk ejection. When an infant suckles, sensory signals travel to the hypothalamus, stimulating the rapid release of oxytocin from the pituitary. The hormone travels to the breast, causing myoepithelial cells surrounding the ducts to contract. This forces milk out, which is known as the milk let-down reflex. Oxytocin is also critically involved in reproduction, particularly targeting the pregnant uterus. It is a powerful stimulator of uterine muscle contractions, essential for the process of labor and delivery. This release creates a positive feedback loop. Uterine contractions stretch the cervix, which triggers more oxytocin release, leading to even stronger contractions necessary for birth. Even after birth, oxytocin is important, helping the uterus return to its pre-pregnancy size and reducing postpartum bleeding. Now let's look at the cell-level details of how oxytocin exerts its power. Oxytocin binds to its specific oxytocin receptor, or OTR, which is a G protein-coupled receptor found on the surface of target cells, like those in the uterus. Binding to the OTR activates the GQ protein, which in turn triggers the phospholipase C pathway, a critical intracellular signaling cascade. A key result of this pathway is the release of intracellular calcium. This calcium burst activates the contractile machinery in muscle cells, driving those powerful uterine contractions. From regulating milk ejection and labor to impacting social bonding, oxytocin remains one of the body's most critically functional and fascinating hormones.